What is this new update, guys? Like, what is the graphics? Gorilla Corp needs you. I love to be in your, like, Gorilla Corp. Oh my god. Do you have key cards? Says Gorilla Corp. What the heck? I'm not a blue. Yeah, I mean, I have a top hat. What's this? No. Whose is this? Does this key card work? I wonder. What if? Whoa! That's not my key card. Oh, it's gone now. Do I have to? How I get? Oh, showers. We're taking showers today, you guys. I feel like rust would just pour out of that. How do you? Oh no! I've seen these lanterns. And these orbs that we gotta go put here. What is this music, guys? I'm scared. I don't like horror things. I mean, I really do love horror things. Just being jump scared is scary, and I'm not scared. I have 200. What do I? A lantern, a baton. Like, how do you get it? Oh, you need your key card. Okay. A baton and a lantern, yep. Guys. Oh, it's a plant. Oh, there's more. I'm gonna just leave my baton here, I guess. Please don't shut on me. This is scary. You just like... I'm scared. Which way do I go? Guys, I'm scared. Can I pick up this one? Why do they look so different? They should have just made it look like those ones. I mean, I guess it kind of does. What is this? I'm scared. What is this? It sounds so... Oh my god, what is that? Help! Help me! Holy crap! Oh, that crash out. Oh my god, that scared me. Jesus! Holy crap! That scared me. I can't get my key card. What am I... Oh, that scared me. Oh, jeez. Oh, you can't pick anything up whenever you're this? Okay, so since I'm the skeleton and nothing's gonna get me, I'm gonna just search around. Oh, but I can't open this to look. Okay. I don't know how to revive myself without just restarting the whole entire game. Yeah. The noises that they make scare me so bad. Oh, what is that? Another one. Come here. No, I'm not doing that. Oh, stop with the noises. Why do you crawl around like that? You look like you're about to go eat your mom. Jesus, you're probably gonna. Oh my god. Get out. What is the skeleton? Whoa, what's over here? Oh, it's not a dead end. Oh, yes, it is a dead end. Oh. What's over here? That scared me badly, you guys. I am so done with jump scares. So what's like the main monster besides these? I feel like I'm just going in endless loops. I don't know the way out. Is this the way out? What is the way out? I feel like I'm going in endless circles. No, I think this is the way actually. No? Yes! Found my way back. Oh, jeez. I'm revived. You guys. Oh, that was so scary. What is this update? I look so menacing. Oh, jeez. Help. Willie too? Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna go explore more of this update and maybe make more videos on it. But like and subscribe if you watched this video and you're not already subscribed to me, and bye guys.